Hey guys, it's Mentor from Can Auto Performance, and in our last video we showed you how to install our dry carbon spoiler on your B9.5 S4, and today we're going to show you the next piece for your rear end, which is our carbon fiber diffuser. And here we have our beautiful carbon fiber diffuser. Now for this installation, all you'll need is a 10mm bolt, a T20 Torx bit, and some pry tools. Okay, so we just took off the OEM diffuser. Quick tip: first you'll need to remove the bolts that were attached here, and here, just 4 bolts. And then afterwards, all the tabs, the best way to remove them is to start off on the sides. Over here, it is a bit tight, but what you're gonna need to do is pry against the rear diffuser and the rear bumper here, and just pull it apart. Do the same thing on the other side, and then you go upwards around the diffuser until you can fully pull it out. There is going to be a lot of dirt and debris between the diffuser and the bumper, so make sure you have goggles on and make sure you have a headlamp so you can see where you're pulling against, just to make sure everything is safe. So you see, this is the OEM diffuser. When you compare it to the carbon fiber one, it's a lot smaller. Carbon fiber one has these 5 fins here, make it look a lot more aggressive. And it also has a side piece that attaches near the wheel on both sides, and it just gives that nice finishing look around the whole rear end of your S4. Alright guys, that's how you install our B9.5 S4 carbon fiber diffuser. And I mean, just look at it. It looks a lot more aggressive. It sits well with the rear bumper all the way across. And it just complements our dry carbon spoiler so well with a nice glossy carbon finish. And the fitment is flush towards the rear bumper as well. And I just can't believe how Audi's OEM rear diffuser just isn't as aggressive. The design seems very simple from factory, but with this carbon diffuser, they'll just upgrade your car so much more. Now with our carbon fiber diffuser installed, comment down below on what you think will be the next mod for the rear end of this S4. As if you like this type of content, make sure you like and subscribe because we got so much more in store for you.